Hello, my lovely Swiss German language freaks. In today's mini lesson, I'm going to teach you the most basic Swiss German sentences. So let's start by simply greeting someone. So we would say, "Hi, how are you?" "Hoi, wie gahts?" So here we distinguish whether we greet a friend or a group or somebody we do not know and prefer to be polite. So there you can even use different forms, because if you would like to just generalize it and you enter in a store, you just say Grüezi. It's not specific. It's not polite. It's not unpolite. It's just hi, as simple as it is. Grüezi. If you would like to greet a friend, you can say Hoi, wie gahts? Hi, how are you? Hoi, wie gahts? If you would like to greet somebody you do not know or you have a meeting or appointment with in business, then you would say Grüezi, wie gahts Ihne? Grüezi, wie gahts Ihne? Hi, how are you? So there we distinguish. And if you would like to greet a group, you can always use Hoi Zäme. Zäme is together. It's a group. So hi, together. Hoi Zäme. Wie gahts euch? Oi. It's a group. How are you guys? So wie gahts euch? Wie is how. In the next lesson, we will also see the wie questions. So you can learn, because they're very important and you're always using them. So again, we repeat to say hi when you enter a store. Grüezi. If you are meeting a friend, you're saying Hoi, wie gahts? If you're meeting somebody you do not know, Grüezi, wie gahts Ihne? And if you meet a group, you can just say Hoi Zäme, wie gahts euch? And how do you say goodbye? So, talking to a group, you say Tschüss zusammen. Ciao together. If you're just greeting a friend, you say Tschüss. Bis gleich. Bis gleich is see you soon. Bis gleich. And if you greet somebody that you do not know or prefer to be polite, you say auf wiederluege, which means see you soon. Auf, until, wieder, again, luege, see. Auf wiederluege. Or simply walking out of the store or restaurant, just say ade. Ade, dankeschön. Okay, simple as that. Try to repeat just these few forms of greeting. So in the next lesson, you will get more content. And if you're really into learning Swiss German in a very effective, individual way, there is a crash course you can get, which is divided in single lections, and either you can have lesson by lesson, or you can also get the full crash course where you will learn Swiss German in no time. And if you wish, you can also have one-on-one conversation just to become more fluent in speaking and get your pronunciation right. So I'm always here for you, and I will share the crash course for you if you want to learn Swiss German in your own speed, at any time, from any place, online, and really effectively. So tschüss zusammen und bis gleich!